Doomsday Squad. Sometimes days look as it seems, but you can't give up. You gotta get up, get back on top. Walks on the blocks, and I'm moving here, grooving here, so loud and so breezy. Moving through my words, I'm ill like I wheeze threes. I don't care, I just need these. Don't talk like you wanna walk these streets anymore alone. Time that can be complete, the way I put the monster in the streets. Go and I'm growling and I'm pouncing on anybody that walks. Ashes to ashes and the chalk with the outline of the Boston. Yeah, I got a different attitude, different voice, different vocal. Slow it down like Poco. Chi-Chi with the hardcore flow that I know. Streets are very hard, but it's proven while it's gold. Golden in the street, and I'm holding when I freak. I freak the hell out, cause I know that I'ma talk that other kind of word that we deserve to get. Illest rap on the purge of the street of the birds and the herds. Wanna be words you never wanna curse, cause I'm being wetter like a chicken cheddar, MC chicken cheddar. Be up your debtor, cause you're in debt. Yeah. Chicken cheddar, kid. Chicken cheddar, hey. Doomsday Squad.
I just hate to be the bad guy. Every time I ride by, I feel like a bad guy. Sent to me here, I sent the message. Get the fucking message. That shit is so fast, but it's just I'm nice with the balls, kid. Yeah, that's dribble on that soccer field. The messy kid said messy, but I ain't the bad guy, so I get back. I said I hate when I feel like the bad guy. I hate when I feel like I just gotta fly by. Oh shit, on jet plane shit, ain't got the G6, but I got the G8. I'm in the infinity, that's the whip, kid. I said whip it, that's the fucking whip, kid. Shit, kid. Got the freshies, shell toe laced up with the top drop on the notch. I said hats, my dude.
Life is good, tilt my hat.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm back again. I'm rapping like I'm platinum as the beat overlaps and talking like the chapters in your chapel. Laugh with a raffle and a royal rumble and attacking the bee bumble. Singing. I'm from Boston and I keep it awesome. The way it's South Shore, the way it's in the house war. Yeah, I'm climbing up like I'm moving different places, different destinations, different out of here. Cause I'm saying that I'm spraying and I'm overlaying. Cause my tracks are praying. Just saying. You don't wanna have another outlet the way you talk when you outspeak that you're creeping onto the streets, making noises that I hate avoid it. I'm stainless the way I'm feeling better. Stay for less, more and stuff to give it gratitude. Although in the feeling, and I'm reeling, and I'm dealing, that I'm feeling with these problems that I solve them. Everyone's intolerance and try to dollar in. Everything is better and it's clever from the beat. Streets in the streets and the feats with the sneaks. Running up, I'm back and I talk. I'll pass that microphone and I make the lyrics talk. I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a bad guy. Don't mean to be a bad guy. Fucking bad guy. Yeah. Fucking bad guy. Around town we do this, we say it, we back it up, we play it, we stay with it, we got sick in the mind when we flip the blinds in the blind. Over and over to repeat the clever over. I know that it rover, tilt over. You want more lawnmowers, stop with the blade. Cost with the cascade, rock it all the way. That's what the fucking blacks say and the whites say. This is all nicely. Then I'm talking that the beat is walking and gawking and cracking, swirling. Yeah, slithering. Yo, ill with the beat and I talk streets and the streets and beats. Damn, technique is so weak and you can't catch me. Can't catch me cause I'm a leprechaun, especially when the vest in the beat. I'm so clever that the heat is on and the AC is on and it's warm and it feels so perfect complex. This is my context, look at the context. Rip it up, rhyme it up, time it up. You know what the fuck's up? Nothing much but the stuff in a beat. Yeah, I got a beat and I mess with my streets and I'm especially with my beats. Yes, and I'm real old toxic. Yeah, talking when you're friends with all of the kinds of the different people personalities to make it basic check. Flipping rhymes like a wasted neck. I talk like Slick Jack Silver, man, it was too soon. Even joke about, spoke about, in your mouth, smoking out, smoke is out, talk just for doubt, about listening and I'm living and I'm leaning and I'm bleeding. I don't care, I'm seeing, but it's better. It's so clever the way I keep the weather. Empty chicken cheddar, silver, they uptown, they platinum, they go for flat. Lasers, these photo taggers, and this up yacht, jacks, the Cadillac, the mind's taking all the tracks. Doomsday, representing, I'm living in and I'm cooking. I know that I'll be stopping and I'm knowing. At the same time, it feels so good to vote for us. Reconnect, and they ravel around us, travel down. Doomsday Squad, the Doomsday Squad, and we're holding our end of our bargain shit. Doomsday Kids, Doomsday Squad, representing who's whom you want. Check it out, he's not scared, he has no fear. Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? So, everybody's gonna know it's time for us to show. Hey, we're out, kid. We're out.